Hi kids, today we're making a very easy 3-ingredient chocolate cake. The first ingredient you're gonna need is 1/4 of a cup or 3 tablespoons of chocolate, like spreadable chocolate, and you can warm it up a little bit so it's softer. You want to use 1 egg, and you want to use 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. First, you want to start by beating the egg in with the chocolate. So you have to crack the egg, and if you can, get a whisker or a fork to beat it. That's going to be a lot better. Make sure it's well mixed and continue with step number 2, which is to add the cocoa powder in with the rest of the ingredients. Make sure you don't have any lumps. Your mixture is now ready, and to finish, get a pinch of salt. Use your fingers to grab a little bit of salt and add it right into your batter with the rest of the ingredients. Get a baking pan and grease it with a little bit of butter all over, and also add cocoa on top so it won't stick once you put it in the oven. Pour all of your batter in there, and now it's time to bake. Take it to the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, this is what your cake will look like. Serve with ice cream or fruit, and you will have a lava cake like a volcano, soft inside, a little bit wet, and delicious. Enjoy.